Hello everyone, it's John from immoviewer 360, just teaching you guys today how to use the viewing angle feature. So in order to do that, all you have to do is just click on the edit button, edit the tour whichever you wish to edit, and as soon as the editor loads up, you should see an option here that says viewing angle. Now, this viewing angle option, what this does is it allows you to preset the first viewpoint of your viewers whenever they enter this specific photo or this specific room. So as soon as you click on the viewing angle option, you'll notice that a quick tutorial guide will appear in the middle of your screen. You could choose to not show that message again, if you will. So let's get started. So as soon as you click on this viewing angle feature, a white line should appear in the center of your screen. Now, what that does is, what that indicates is the first thing that people see when they enter this room or this photo is this specific angle. So in order to change that, all you have to do is just click on this pen icon right here, and it splits in two. And now you can reposition that white line to wherever you want your viewers to look at first whenever they enter this specific room. So once you're satisfied with the position, just click on save, and there you have it. Now to test it out, let's go to a different room. And then let's go back into this room, this floor right here, or this image. So you'll notice as soon as we enter this specific image, the first thing that we see now is this specific area. So if you wish to edit the zoom angle, you can definitely zoom in, zoom out, however you wish, by just scrolling or zooming in further or zooming out further, if you will. And if you want to reset it, all you have to do is just click on this pen icon again and just click on the trash button. What's going to happen is it's going to reset to where the original centerpiece of the photo is, which is this angle. All right, so another tip with regards to using this feature is that it does not edit the thumbnail of the photo. So say, for example, if you notice this thumbnail, the thumbnail appears to be starting at this point. So if you switch the viewing angle to a different angle, let's say to view this area first, it does not do anything to change the thumbnail of the photo, which means that if this is the first photo of your tour, people will still be looking at this area when they load up the tour, but then when they enter the room, this is the first area that they'll be seeing. So I just want to point it out there. Here's an example. We've set the viewing angle there, and let's try and exit out of that, and you'll notice that the thumbnail still stays the same. So I just want to point that out there. If you guys have any questions, feedback, suggestions, please let me know. Send us an email at help@immoviewer.us or chat with us at immoviewer.com. On top of that, this is John again, wishing you guys a happy immoviewer day. Bye-bye.